Hey, what's going on, everybody? How's it going? John here with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So what I'm going to talk today about is the frequency of nature. Voila! Look at all these trees, plants starting to grow up a little bit. There's some more back there. Everything's still kind of like dead here, but still got consciousness. But being out in nature, the frequency of nature. So the frequency of nature, the sound of the birds, the sound of the water flowing, the wind, breathing in that good prana within, inside of you, the fresh air coming from all around you, because the trees are what's keeping everything healthy around you. I was just passing by a tree. It had a sign saying free hugs. Free hug a person or free hug a tree? I'm free hugging the tree. I'm getting all that good information inside of me, knowledge from nature. That's frequency from the trees in nature. Hugging that tree boosts up my vibration, feeling that energy. But just the sound of the plants, the trees, the seagulls, birds, bugs, frogs, squirrels, anything, ducks. I saw a few ducks around here. That's all the frequency, the sound frequency of nature. I don't bring headphones out in nature to listen to music. This is my music, nature. I'm telling you, nature will heal you. Do I wear a mask out in nature? Hell no. Why would I wear a mask to protect me from something that's actually helping me, that's taking care of me, raising my vibration? Why would I wear a mask out here? It makes no sense, right? But frequencies in nature, I'm telling you, those frequencies will raise your vibration. It'll take away your your anxiety, and raise your vibration by being in the present moment. That's the frequency of nature. Staying grounded, being grounded on this log, being grounded to Mother Earth, meditating. You don't even have to close your eyes. You're observing. That's meditating. You're observing your surroundings in nature, listening to all the sounds, being in the moment. That's as far as you can go with meditation when you're out here. But the frequencies of nature is everything you hear in nature. That'll make you feel amazing, and raising your frequency, breathing in that prana